The job label is often referred to as a footer and is an area on your print that your Fiery system can add when it prints your job that will include various information. If you double-click on a job or right-click on it and select Edit, the job will open in Job Editor. Click on the Layout tab, and on the Layout pane for an individual job, you will see three options: Step and Repeat, Tiling, and Job Label. If you select the Tiling option, you will get a warning telling you that job labels and any control bars will be deactivated. This is because job labels are configured independently on the Tiling panel for tiling jobs. Notice that Step and Repeat and job labels no longer appear in the interface because they cannot be used together with tiling jobs. Deselecting Tiling will again allow you to select the Job Label feature. With the Job Label feature enabled, you can click on the Edit button and modify any of the existing settings. Click on the Presets box, and you can select any preset that you may have already created, and then, if you wish, make additional modifications by selecting or deselecting items that you wish to include or exclude from any of the job label lines. You can select or deselect any piece of information on any line, but you cannot change which line the information appears on. For instance, on line 1, you can include the date and time that the job was processed, but you cannot move date and time to a different line. You can also include the Fiery logo, or select any other logo that you have uploaded, or select None. Additional logos must be TIFF or JPEG format and fit within a 5 cm square area. On line 6, you can select to include user-defined text, such as your company name or the expected viewing conditions. Click OK to accept the changes. If you wish, at the top of the job label editor, you can click Save and save the settings as a preset. This preset can then be selected in Server Manager as the default for any workflow, or selected on a job-by-job basis in the job editor. The checkbox "Must not exceed page size" is used to ensure that the job label does not exceed the width of your job. If it does, the job label will be cropped rather than scaled. You can also modify the maximum width, the maximum height, the vertical distance between the job and the job label, and the font size of your label. Zoomed in, you can see where the job label is positioned. The job label is always on the bottom of your job, aligned to the left edge of your job. This cannot be modified. If you have created a nesting layout, on the Job Label panel, you will also have a Collection tab. The Collection tab will allow you to add a job label for the entire nest. The same options are available for the Collection job label that are available for the individual page labels. Zooming in, you can see the two labels, one for the collection and one for the job. The collection label has been configured to include less information than the label for each individual job. This completes this module.